That one, no, wait.
Oh, there he is. Okay, look at everybody. Sweating already. Somebody else.
Yeah, that started about an hour ago.
Yours is way quick on that.
It wasn't just popping open a door.
Well, it was, but it was
That'd be really hot.
Was it a car crash?
What you think, friend?
You guys do the medical too?
We had an annual. You're going to need to park continually.
I want all of ours to back up, and it's just going to be one at a time.
So I haven't seen a page go out for captain rest of the ship and lieutenant. Must be okay.
Oh, you're going to get stuck in the beginning.
No, Roy, stop. No.
Good girl, not. Of course, she got jackpot.
Yeah.
It's lunchtime.
It moved.
Good boy. Good boy, Cody. Cody, come on in. Make it okay for Willis. Now see that Willis is okay. So if you
That's all.
finally.
What a good sport he is.
You'll get a good sport.
Yeah.
Friends taking
It's you. Good girl. Good. Yes, I see.
No. We did a lot of stuff. Well, we've done extra special training with him.
We were looking for your code.
We have a display board.
Good job, Jesse. Dragging your tail.
Guess this will bite her.
Okay, come on.
But they've got away from that. You go up and grab one of those bowls in the middle of the night out of a dead sleep. It's, you know, it's a long way.
I
Can we
know.
have Cody?
I know you're stressed.
Cody?
And some guys get very hurt. They've started.
Behind you.
Okay, we don't want her to eat off the floor. Okay, come on, Cody.
Of a razor wire fence.
Hey, Remy.
How that kitty got up in the
Remington. Now, some of the dogs may need less food tonight because of all the treats you've had today.
That would be you. Yeah. Not needing any more today, are you?
Remington is apprehensive about the whole thing. I don't know what his tail looks like.
He doesn't have one.
Good girl, Angel.
Tail going. Colin's having no trouble. Give him a lick on there.
Be so brave. Oh, in Star. Star's the last one.
Honey, come here, please.
It's okay. What is it, recording now?